Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Sometimes inspiration comes from nature itself, the trees, the flowers, the beauty around us. It all reminds us to say Alhamdulillah. Today we will turn that feeling into art using simple tools and a bit of creativity. Let's create an Islamic motif design and add the beautiful word Alhamdulillah in Arabic calligraphy. Here I am taking a transfer paper. Start drawing your own design or you can take reference picture. Draw a half design on a transfer paper. Now flip your transfer paper and tape it on the surface. Now start drawing again on the other side. Use a pencil carefully trace over the pattern. Your design will transfer lightly onto the base paper underneath. Now again flip your design and join it with the half design. Now take a fine liner or brush pen and go over the trace line. This will bring sharpness and definition to your motif. Work with patience and enjoy the process. Islamic art is all about balance and beauty. Next, we write the word Alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Allah. Focus on the meaning as you write. This is not just art, this is zikr. A simple project with a deep message. Alhamdulillah for the beauty around us and within us. And here it is, an elegant blend of Islamic geometry and sacred calligraphy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more peaceful art and content rooted in faith and creativity. Jazakallah khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum.